Welcome to this tutorial video. The goal of this video is to show you the document upload screen. The documents that are uploaded are divided between debtor and patient documents. The documents uploaded function is used to upload any documents applicable to the debtor or main member who is responsible for the account. These are the documents that the practice will require for the debtor. For example, medical aid card, proof of residence or signed terms and conditions of the practice. Let us go over the document upload screen. From the diary screen, click on the desired patient booking. The sidebar will open on the right hand side of the screen. Scroll down and navigate to the Add Documents button on the sidebar. The uploaded document screen will open. Click on the Add Documents button. The document upload screen will open. To select the relevant file or document. In order to upload a document, click on the Choose File button. If the user doesn't have a document or the correct file to upload, an image may also be uploaded by using the Take Photo button. The video capture screen will open and the user may click on the camera button. The user may use his or her cell phone to take a clinical photo and upload it from the GoodX Capture app. For more information regarding the Capture app, please refer the Upload Image from Capture app user manual linked in the video's description. If the user clicks on the Upload from External Screen button, should the user wish to remove the document that are being uploaded, the user may click on the Remove Selected button. If the user would like to save the document or the file, the user may click on the Save button. The user may also click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. Upload document screen will open. The user may also click on the Close button to exit the screen without saving. The document upload screen will close. To return back to the diary screen, click on the Close button located in the left corner of the screen.